Okay guys, so now that you have Oberlo installed and your other applications, you're starting to import your products and your store is up and running. One of the key things that a lot of people ask is, how do I get my logo, my graphics built into the theme? Do I need to hire a designer? And the answer is absolutely not. I'm going to show you 3 free tools, guys, right now that's going to help you with this and how to implement them directly in your theme. Now, if you remember when you came to Shopify and you installed Shopify, if you go to themes right here, you can select and visit the theme store to pick a theme that you want. Once you install that theme, you can hit customize theme here, and you'll notice there's a lot of aspects about the theme that can be changed. Now, that includes the logo, that includes different elements like the header image here, and images with text here, and other aspects, right? And you'll find all of those in the side here, like slideshow. It'll show you how to upload an image right here, where to align it, so on and so forth. But the problem is you don't actually have a image. So the way we need to make these images are with a couple tools. Now the other thing that you have in here, right in your header, is the logo. So for me, there are 3 different tools that help you with the logo, with these images right here, to get you up and running without paying an expensive graphic designer. Now the other thing that's extremely important is making sure that you're using images that are royalty free and you're allowed to use. So first, let's start with the logo. Now I made a logo already. You'll see it right here. It's called Kitchen Up, and it has a little spatula right here for the design. Now if you go to logomaker.com, you can make a free logo that you can use anywhere. So I'm going to actually quickly delete these elements and show you what I did. It's very simple. Once you get to Logo Maker, you click on text, you put up whatever your brand is right here. Now the important thing is to make this actually quite big, because with Logo Maker, they only give you low-res imagery, right? So they're going to download it low-res unless you pay. But if you actually increase your pixels, you can get by with a low-res imagery because it's downgrading from a higher-res pixel. Then you can go up here, and this is how I make logos in like 2 seconds. You can type in kitchen, for example, and it'll come up with a bunch of different elements that you can use. And for me, I just use this one right here, but you can use anything you want. Change this to the color to match your text, and then boom, drag it over. When you drag it over, it will be in line, and then you'll see you're downloading here at 1680 by 949. All you do is hit save. Logo Maker will download a low-res image for you right to your computer. Now I'm going to go back over to Kitchen Up. I've already done this, so I already have the image. Go here. Logo Maker will have that image that downloaded, and you'll see it came up, and boom, it shows up right here. And you can make any edits you want and so forth. So that took all of 5 seconds to make your logo. It looks professional. People will start to trust you based off your logo. Now for these images right here, a lot of themes will tell you what the size of the image is. This theme does not, so you'll have to play around a little bit. But I have 2 tools to make this really simple. The first one is pexels.com. Now, what I love about Pexels, it's like iStockPhoto.com, except everything is free and royalty free. So you can use any of these images for commercial or personal use. And all you have to do, just like Logo Maker, is type in the type of image you're looking for. I'm just putting in kitchen. Oh, look at that. This is great. It has this beautiful chef kitchen, a nice kitchen here. Oh, I really like this, the chef with the ingredients. This one's very nice as well. So there's some great images here that you can choose from. I'm just going to click this one for example. You'll see it comes up, free for personal and commercial use, no attribution required. So you don't even have to call it out, which is great. All you do is then go here. I usually download large. You can download the original size, whatever you like, guys. It's just don't do medium or small. Large or original is usually fine. Hit download. That will download to my computer. The third and final tool after Pexels is Canva. This is a kind of like a Photoshop style builder. It lets you make social media posts, documents, blogs, everything you need right here, right? Super, super simple. Or you can do custom dimensions. And I usually do, for that one we said it was probably like 1920 by 400 height. So I'm going to do that custom size. I'm going to hit design, Canva is going to open up a new screen for me, which makes it extremely beneficial to work on multiple items at the same time. I use Canva every day for all of my websites, everything. And then you'll see it came up with this space. On the left side, it has different layouts, elements, text, background, and uploads. I'm going to take that Pexel upload and I'm going to drag it right here. You can see some of my other images for other things I've been working on. I have a huge store front of images based off the different sites we're building. As that uploads, even as it uploads, you can start to drag it over, right? So I'm going to drag it over here, and then I'm just going to make it the right size. Boom. Okay, there we go. It's the full part. You can drag it up and down. I'm just going to try to get these elements right here for now. Cool. Okay, it's finished uploading. There we go. So that's that. I'm going to change the title here to Kitchen Up Homepage Slider, right? Okay, done. Now that's changed, and I'm going to download it. I prefer JPEG, because it's actually a smaller file size. PNG is good as well, but this is the smallest file size, which will allow your website to load even faster, which is extremely important when people are coming from a mobile ad to your site, and you want to make sure that they don't get frustrated with the load times. So then that will open up and download. I will go back to my theme over here, and okay, that's the header, so I'm going to get out of the header. This is probably under, that's the slideshow below, image with text overlay, that's the top one here. I'm going to upload that directly from my download section, kitchen home slider, and then you'll see it uploads. Now, I'm not sure if this is the right size, guys. This is where you have to play around. I might be completely off here, but we'll see in a second. Oh, it's not bad. It probably can be a little smaller for what I built, but this is where you have to play around if you're using a theme that doesn't tell you the exact size. But you can see it came over. I'm going to change this to kitchen equipment. Boom. Premium. I'm just going to do premium stuff for now. Right? And there you go. So you're starting to build your entire theme out. And you just go through this theme list on the left. You go into Canva, you make an image, you download from Pexels, you build it in, and within a day, guys, you can have this all filled out. And then you'll see even some of the products coming up. I'm actually going to go to catalog really quick to show you the products we imported. There they are. Oh, did it go back? Yeah, it went back. There you go. You see some of the products coming up and some of our apps that we installed, which is great. So you'll continue to build this out. Make sure you hit save, and there you go, guys. You can start building your site without a graphic designer. You have everything you need right here to build from start to finish and get up and running. Tomorrow I'll go into more details about the applications, make sure we're on track to finish the setup here, and looking forward to jumping in to these next lessons. Guys, if you have any questions, make sure that you ask them and I'll try to answer them. Looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson.